Hey guys, welcome back. I want you guys to take a quick tour with me as we check out a home. And we want to see what $500,000 could give us here in Dallas, Texas. Friends, welcome back. I want to invite you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. But first, hey, look at the exterior of this home. I mean, this home is next level. And most of the homes in this community, they're going to range anywhere between $460,000 to just up under $1 million. As soon as we walk in, we're greeted with high vaulted ceilings, plenty of windows, and just check out this spiral staircase followed by the chandelier. I mean, this is just next level. And I'm reminded of that quote that says, dreams don't come true, decisions do. And if you guys decide to purchase a home in this community, it is certainly a dream come true. If I forgot to introduce myself, again, my name is Jaran Ramsey. I am your Dallas-Fort Worth real estate agent, and on our channel, we love to help sellers sell for more. We guide first-time home buyers, and we make relocating made simple. Guys, I mean, leave your thoughts, leave your feedback. Check out this kitchen. I love how everything just flows and transitions right into the dining and living area space. The fireplace, man, it's just breathtaking. It's nice, it's open. You see on the second floor, you could get a visual straight from the media room. They call it the life space. As we enter the owner suite, I want to give you guys a few facts and features about the rest of the community. I mean, this community is going to have nature trails, ponds, and green spaces. This master plan community is also perfect for active families to enjoy a lifestyle where children can have friendships with their neighbors. Families with outdoor enthusiasts will love the private and public parks, the swimming pools, and miles of hike and bike trails. Stocked with ponds for catch and release fishing, and a neighborhood community center. Before I forget, this community also is going to have the elementary school located within the community. So when it's time for our little ones to attend school, we don't have to go too far. Guys, check out this closet. Do you guys think it's enough space? Do you think it's too much space? What are your thoughts? Check out the flooring in the owner suite. Flooring is definitely top tier. They've done a great job with some of the upgrades, and you as a home buyer, you have the luxury of choosing, you know, how far do you want to go? I mean, how many upgrades do you want to include in your home? So now, as we go up the stairs, and I just love it. Guys, please don't forget to book a discovery call with us. If you guys are moving to Dallas within 9 days or 90 days, we want to help you. It's never too early to start the process. If you guys are moving within another year, let's start the groundwork now. Let's start thinking about what your move is going to look like. Or if you're local and you currently rent and you're within a lease, let's have a conversation. We want to game plan effectively, so when you're ready, the process is much smoother. I mean, this game room and life space is just perfect for entertaining. If you guys have a heart for that, if you guys have a big family, just imagine how Thanksgiving is going to look. Just imagine how Christmas is going to feel with all the families here just enjoying themselves, and you have enough space. You have enough space to where people don't feel crowded. People can still enjoy some sports while playing pool. So you have a bar area right here, and this is just everything you could ever dream of. So I'll let you guys continue on with our tour, our home edition. And if you guys are wanting to see more homes, if there are certain areas that you guys are interested in within the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, please contact us, or you can book a discovery call with us, and we'll introduce you guys to other upcoming and new communities here around the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Thank you guys.